Hello everyone, today is May the 26th, 2021. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the smart card. And this time we have a new guest, which is our iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 mini, iOS 14.6. This phone, it is with the Spectrum Mobile. So let's sim unlock this iPhone. Okay, so iPhone 12 mini, iOS 14.6. This is the official release. 18F72. It came out, the official release, it came out like 2 days ago, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so this phone, it is active with the Spectrum Mobile. And I don't know if you can see, but I'm trying to use AT&T. Okay, so once again, iPhone 12 mini, 14.6, 12 mini, Spectrum Mobile, carrier Spectrum, network, the network is a Spectrum. And this phone, it is carrier lock, SIM locked. Here is the device may be original carrier. So this phone has been updated. I'm going to close everything down. Okay, so I'm going to take out the SIM card. And just for some reason, I noticed that the SIM tray, it's a little bit it's not so easy to take out or put in like the other ones. I don't know why, if it's because of the size of the iPhone. But just be gentle, okay? Okay, so my Spectrum, I'm gonna put them on the side, and I'm gonna put my AT&T. Taking us to the activation screen. So I'm gonna proceed like I'm regular. Continue. SIM not supported. And I do see some lines going up, down. I don't know if you see it. Maybe because it's my video quality or where I'm at, low light, I don't know, but I don't know what's going on. And today's one of those days. Decide to make a real quick video. So SIM not supported, AT&T. I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna take the AT&T out. I'm gonna put this on the side. And this iPhone is clean, has not been reported lost or stolen by the carrier. The customer just wants to SIM unlock the iPhone for AT&T. So my smart card, put them on the SIM tray. I'm gonna close everything down. Nothing is open. Okay, I'm connected to Wi-Fi. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi before you do it. So now that I make sure everything is okay, I'm gonna put it in the smart card. I'm gonna go to the activation screen like normal. Swipe up, put my passcode, continue. Might take a few minutes, seconds. There you go. This is the activation log you want to see all the time. If for some reason it says SIM not supported, let me lock the. If for some reason you say SIM not supported, lock your iPhone, swipe up, and then go to emergency. You're gonna hit start. You're gonna hit call. You're gonna dismiss. Okay, it doesn't allow me, but because I'm in the activation lock. Okay, anyway, so let's disregard the other part. I'm gonna show you later. So I'm gonna continue with my passcode. Device passcode. Introduce your passcode. This is incorrect. One more time. Oh, there we go. It takes a while. Remember that we hit start and then call. I'm just gonna hit cancel. I'll show you in a minute. I'm sorry that if I'm confusing you, but just bear with me, okay? Let's go back to the activation code. So this is the last time. Just thinking. Okay, my phone has been already SIM locked. Let's go back just to let me close everything down. Let's go settings, general, about, iPhone 12 mini 14.6, and before it was carrier lock. It says SIM not restrictions and it's not available. Okay, so this phone has already been unlocked, but this is the option you got if you got SIM not supported after you update to the latest iOS. If you get SIM not supported, just lock your iPhone, just lock it, leave the just lock your iPhone. If SIM not supported, just lock your iPhone, okay? Then you're gonna go back, swipe up, emergency, start, call. If this sign is gonna come out, or error performance request, you're gonna hit dismiss, and that window is gonna come out. Just wait for a few seconds. It was a little delay before. There you go. So here's where you're gonna put the ICC ID number. It's gonna be down. I'm going to put a link as well on this video, so you can, if you need it, and you can get one of those. In our case, after you put it in, you hit send and then accept, and it's gonna take you to the activation screen. Okay. In my case, I don't need it anymore. But that's an option for you guys if you see SIM not supported and you are in iOS 14.6 or the newest. That's the option for you. In this case, the iPhone, it is SIM not restrictions. That means I can use my iPhone with any carrier. I'm gonna take this out. I'm taking my smart card out. I'm gonna put them on a safe place because I don't know if I need it later. Okay, now that my iPhone is SIM unlocked, you can continue doing new updates via Wi-Fi, and I show you what I mean via Wi-Fi. If you use, if you're one of those persons that like continue doing the updates via iTunes, if you do that, you might lose the unlock and you have to redo everything again. So before it says SIM not supported, remember. Let me see if I put the correct one. Yes. Put AT&T. There you go, AT&T. Let me take out the Wi-Fi. Make a test call. I always do a test call.
Welcome to AT&T.
Okay, AT&T, and it's picking up 5G. This plan is AT&T prepaid. So later on, I'm gonna do a test. I'm going to do a test on the new US Mobile. But I'm gonna show you next video. On this video, I just want to show you how to unlock it. So there is everything is here. Phone has been unlocked for any carrier. Oh, here's for the updates. If you decide to, if you don't want to do it by yourself or manual, here is an option. So you just go to general, you go to settings, then you're gonna you go general, software update, and mine is on. So make sure you got on, download iOS updates and install iOS. And it says here that your phone, in order for the iPhone to be updated overnight, has to be connected to Wi-Fi. If you're not connected to Wi-Fi overnight, the phone won't do the update because it eats a lot of data on your plan. But as long as you are connected to Wi-Fi and you have these two options on, you're ready to go. You don't have to worry about new updates. When the new update is gonna come out, the cell phone is gonna automatically for you. The other thing that you cannot do, well, the first is do not do any updates via iTunes. If you do it, you're gonna lose your unlock. The other one is if you need to erase your iPhone to new. For some reason, there is an option for reset. If you erase all contents and settings, you're gonna erase the whole phone. But if you reset the network settings, it's fine. Basically, you're gonna reset the phone to pick the new signal, and the Wi-Fi it might get deleted as well. The Wi-Fi connection, you just need to put the new Wi-Fi. But if you decide that you have to erase all contents and settings, that means you're resetting the phone to new. You're gonna erase everything on the phone. If you do that, for some reason, you will lose the unlock as well, and you have to redo everything. That's why I said keep this on the side with you, because you never know when you need it. Okay, guys, so this is it. This is an iPhone 12 mini. It's pretty neat. It reminds me of the original iPhones, but this is pretty neat. iPhone 12 mini. And speaking of AT&T prepaid 5G here in my city, San Antonio, using the smart card. If you have any questions, let me know. Like the video, share it, and I will drop the link in the description on the video, so you can get if you need the ICC ID, it's gonna be there as well. Okay, thank you guys, bye.